Left that alone. That cat me name, brother, and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That not go happen. That will never happen. This man who everybody look up to. Yeah. Right now, I should have up there well clean from blood clot morning. Whenever I remember, say I'm funeral for you, man. A real man. But you cannot go on a funeral, you know, missing you. Hi, baby. No funeral, no miss who no go, man.
Why people can't see the bad in themselves, correct?
No, because
When other people see it for them, they have a problem.
You know, people always tell themselves that the bad of them do are good. Because it might have done good to them, but then nobody it is to you.
Yeah.
So people always are going to see the bad with them done as good. It's a few people, you know, are going to be really nice to know, say, you know how bad me do to you, and I shouldn't do it. All when them do it and know say about them still hold them composure because them don't want to be like say them are the one who done bad to you. So them are going to still always a hold on on the edge there if you look like you done something bad. But at the end of the day, you have to be a man or a woman in yourself, you know, say, yeah, you know I'm a scratch. Who can forgive me or me bad for this or me bad for that, so forgive me for the bad, you know? Yeah, you have to be a man of yourself, you know? Real. You know, say, anytime you're wrong, you can admit you're wrong. You know, want no right when you're wrong. You understand me? Yeah, you just knowing yourself, say you're wrong, and if there is a way where somebody can pinpoint you're wrong and show you,
You must get accept this.
yeah, you can accept it, you know?
And look and see where you go wrong for true and say, yeah, you know I'm wrong. I mean, admit. Yeah. And then you can say what you want after that.
Me can wrong, and you can explain to me and show me, say, cat, you know, say you're wrong. And me can say, yes to Ross, you know, say me fuck up this, huh?
True.
Yeah, man. See with me, cause me wrong. Well, it's up to you if you don't want to see with me, just want to hold me as wrong, do it's up to you.
Right.
Yeah, but me admit say me wrong.
Right.
You know? Yeah, so
you not admit no.
yeah, if you not admit no, then me don't know what to do with you. Yeah, cause me don't know what to do, me don't know what to move with you, you know? Yeah. First, me and you have a brethren, we have to can reason.
True.
So when we can reason, that time we can tell us, say, Sika, you know, say, you know, fix the phone good. And you go tell me, say, cat, you know, say, the best me could have fixed it.
Yeah.
Maybe me never see the next fault.
Way up there.
Look
Look again.
Yeah, so let me take a next
look. And see.
And see the next fault.
If me miss nothing.
Yeah, but when you go tell me, say, why, good.
A good man.
I mean, not say it's not good. It still have the fault when I did have and spend pay to get it to fix.
You go say me a fuck crazy.
Yeah, so me go say, you know what? I go switch from Sika. I not give him back nothing more to fix.
No, because my style me.
Fix the thing.
Yeah, I must style me.
Style me up. You know what I say? So, link with somebody else and me find say, yeah, the fault of Sika couldn't solve the man solve it.
True.
And it happen now good. So right there, so now me I go look say, boy, is either Sika never know where him do, or him no want done the thing for me good. Him just want tie my foot and have me come in every time. That mean to say, so me go home talk on the phone 2 times. Me have the same fault. Me have to check you back tomorrow again. Which, in yourself, you know so you can do the phone good. Me have the phone up and running. And now if you come back, so then now you are the fault, man. So when you not see me forward back, no blame me, blame yourself.
True, man.
You understand me? Blame yourself, because remember, me not get no service out of what my money when I spend and you work what you do. So me I go tell myself, say, no, so this a waste of fucking time. Me I go switch from you, so.
So I want that phone shop.
Try another place, man. If you go somewhere and you buy blood clot, yam and that shit, every time you go and buy them, then come home and cook them spring.
Yeah.
Me top buy from you, you know.
I come now get a refund.
Yeah, me not get nothing for my money and me not get no refund. So me stop buy from you, brother.
I wonder why me stop.
Next farmer now. and get
some. I tell you, say, then spring, you say that you can't spring and come give me.
Definitely, give me no good results. So why I should not come and spend my money all the way on bad things? No, I buy good things, carry home on my yard. That means to say, me get me quality for my money. You understand me? See him where you go, man. So I say if me and you work together. Morning, I go and see the good works I put in. So I know, so yeah, I go pay Sika kind of I put in good work. And Sika deserve every cent where him get. You understand me?
That's right.
Possible more until the making's better. Respect you know, my brother. One life and one family, you know, man. I go up on the hill. Which is right. Man, I dream work, man. And I put in the work. We are putting in the work. We not put in the work like that. I put in the work right now. You know, I say, Sika, this going to be the best for you. You, me, I go get for me best result from.
Yeah.
You understand me? But you, me, I put in this for. You understand me, my G? Not about where you can give me or where you going to make me get. Me, I put this in for you. You understand me? Just like how I would go up on something and I vote for Sika. You understand me? You go there and you vote for me, I hit that. You understand me? There is nothing me I look for in return.
No.
Me I do this for you.
From
you understand me?
Naturally.
Definitely. So, you know when yourself tell yourself, say, you know, so me have a few people who do things for me. So whenever time me can do things,
you go do it for
me
them.
will find them and do things for them.
That's right.
Yeah, me will find them and do things for them, man.
Because me have somebody I do for me already.
Me have somebody I do for
so
me.
Must can do for somebody
me
else.
can do for somebody else. You understand me? Yeah. You have some people when you're on them apart, you know. Them up in you like that, you know, 7, you know, everything up, you know. Everything them want, you can afford to pass it on. Not everything what them want in a life, but in the circle, them know say what them ask for, them can achieve from you. So while you are achieve, you think it will be a offense for somebody else achieve from me just the same? No hard feelings, no hard talk, nothing. Every mouth have to be fed. So if me go out the road, me could go out the road with all one 40, 50, 60, $100,000 in a pocket to, you know, at times, you know, 10, 20, 15 has gone to my pocket tied.
Yeah.
Me they all about with money in my pocket. Yeah. I'm not afraid to spend money, because money only make for spend. You understand me? You can't friend money, you know. You have a friend
money
people.
Money and a friend.
Money and me is no fucking friend. You understand me?
Use
right,
money.
I use money. Yeah.
Same thing what we use, we can't be friends with them.
Definitely. So you not to be offended with me stretch my hand to someone else. Me don't know how that feel offend you.
Yeah.
You understand me? Because remember, you know, me stretch it to you several times, you know.
Yeah.
So where you feel?
I never offend nobody else.
No.
Yeah.
So you feel like you're hungry, you me can't stretch onto?
No, because you're not supposed to.
You can't look good, so. Remember, no, you alone support me make this possible for me, you know.
No.
So when me go out there, me see fans say, yeah, Bawdacat, buy me one soda, buy me one drink. Me not gonna can buy everybody.
No.
But you have times when me go can say, you take a drink.
Today.
Yeah. And you have a drinks too, and me pay for it. Yeah.
That's right.
Or if me not do that, me can't let and say, alright, see a drinks money, I buy a drinks when me gone, you know? Or whatever you
Which
feel
is right,
like buy when you're ready,
show
you
back
know?
your appreciation to them.
Yeah, you understand me?
Yeah, appreciate
So
them.
me believe in myself, you know, so me go around and live, and so me share. Even like when me do giveaway, me carry food, go give some people. And me look upon some of them like me and say, but even $1,000 me have to end up give you too. Because you look like you need that $1,000 regardless of where me come give you. You still need something more. You understand me?
Something more.
But I just show me and myself can't do no more.
Right.
You understand me? Yeah. But you still need something more. So sometimes I give them that and I still give them an extra $1,000. Who can't get 2, me give them 2, and who can't get 500, me give them 5. You understand?
Anyway,
me?
Margaret broke,
brother, you see it, so me nah look like say boy. I just my surround the thing for your flow pan. No.
The people want to eat bread too much.
Why that surround make the thing can't flow pan? Me and my surround.
I just who know where you was make it flow pan in your surround for you spread the thing now to make your name live.
Glory, yeah, yes.
But them not do so. And everybody will do so.
Yeah.
Some will do it, but not everybody.
Not everybody are gonna do it, you see.
Which that is right. Because I saw your name grow.
That's why thing grow now, man. Yeah, man.
Because half of your branch that. And them make other people eat and grow.
And grow, you see me I say? So why
that
span that people can feel the love?
Right.
I know say, and I just Bawdacat alone I show the love.
No.
And the whole fucking team member I show the love to people in this world where we live in.
Right.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Not just love me for what I can do, you know? No. Not just love me for that.
Love me for
who me is.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I tell myself say that are the best love that we can ever find. That are one of the genuine love that you can ever think about. You understand me? Because love is something where everybody need, you know.
Yeah.
No care how you see a little man a go, have a little woman, all of them have them love in them, you know. You understand me?
Yeah.
But how them show it. You understand me? But everybody need love. Everybody need love. You understand me? No need me I go wake up this morning and I go tell myself, say, boy, I have 3 picnic down a yard, you know. And there is no other picnic in the world to me like the 3 picnic down a yard. Yes, me agree, say the 3 picnic down a yard is mine. But the other picnic outside is just another life. You understand me? So now like me I go tell myself, say, me I go miles for the other picnic outside. But while it can, I will make it possible. You know what I deal with? Yeah, like giving an ex-mother $1,000. You know how many that good at do for him and them 2 kids who left home or him 1 kids where she, you know,
True,
but that $1,000, you go to know how much blessing fall upon your shoulder for that $1,000 that way you give.
Yeah, man.
So it's too much to give. You ever tell yourself, say, too much to receive?
No.
No. So you can't give.
Tell yourself
yeah, you can't give, man. Never you tell yourself, say, rascal, me give you too much today. No, man.
No, sir. You should have given more.
You should have given more. You understand?
That's what I like.
Yeah, man. Not give it too much, man. Me give you a lot.
Where that go?
I wish I could have more for it too. Yeah. So that's how me look for my lifestyle, you know, brother. Me not look for it and say, boy, me have a basket down a yard and me need it for full. Yes, you need the basket for full, yes. But at the same time, your basket don't empty. You understand me? Your basket not empty, so you can't live. Because your basket never empty, so you can't live. No fight, forget it full and a run over. No, man. If it full and run over, it will happen, you know. You see, like how it possible not it never empty. It will happen, that's it will run over, it will run over, man. Yeah, man. So you know, if you know, say, brother, the time out when I take for full the basket for run over, I can't make something in the next person, no. At the end of the day, the 2 of the basket I grow like, wow. You understand me? Yeah. And at this, I try to spread my wings to tell myself, say, nobody watch the size of my basket and say big and it hard for full. You know what I deal with?
Yeah.
That little you can distribute to many more baskets. Yes, so I will show for me little enough for my basket, but and that's it. You understand me? And satisfied with that and know say yes, that's a me. Yeah, me now if you watch Tom and Harry, we say boy if him basket I go fast. No problem, man. All good. Happy if you know say yeah, you cannot go up the ladder fast. You know?
You go and take my time,
yeah, man,
like
I take my time, man. Yeah, man. It's a journey me a forward from, you know. Yeah, because remember, you know, it take a lot to be me to get the material to build the basket.
True, man.
And it take a lot to build the basket. then it take a whole lot to achieve, to put in the basket. That's the basket never empty. So you can share from your basket to someone else's basket. You understand me? Yeah, man. So somebody achieve from the fitness of your basket. You know? So you do the thing and you do it and you do it the right way and you do it the best you can, you know? Yeah, I know everybody I go please, I know everybody I go happy. Some people still the one side and I look and I say, you're stupid because you should have dump everything for yourself. You understand me? Rich, that is not the game when we did design and when we did plan for. You know? I did plan for a different ball game, brother. Yeah, me just plan so me want to see me have this glory where me can take things out of my way and help people move things from out of them way just to see it. Yeah, man, then it face me, man, it face me, you know. And me take up that piece of love of mine there when me having on myself now. So it's same thing go for others. Me love myself, you know.
Yeah, man,
Whole heap, you know. So when me look, me see like each man are just the same. You know? So there is no way where me not gonna love you.
True.
And me uncle gonna love you true, you can make me achieve.
Yeah.
You understand me?
No,
me I gonna love you natural. Natural love, man. You see togetherness, I want good something, you know. And if you not strong, then you're together. When you're togetherness pull up, you know. That is something that will hurt you, you know. It will affect your whole relationship, your whole life. It will affect you, know.
True.
You believe in a togetherness, you believe in a love, you believe in that something so much. So if you get pull up, you are going to get affected, you know, because you have that belief there. You understand me? You have the amount of love they carry. So anytime that pull up or you lose, that I will get hurt. You. Yeah, people might dip on the outside and I say, you happy, but you're not happy. You understand me? Because you know, say, a unity, a strength. So if you don't see that unity there, you don't see no strength in you, you don't see you strong. You understand me? Because more time when me find myself get weak, I stress, you know. I things when me think upon, you know, consider upon, you know. And I tell myself, say, you know, say, me I consider too much, me I go down go lay down. Yeah, because I find so me can't keep up no more, you know. So me I say, no, so I better me go down go lay down and relax and get off some things off on my mind.
Sometimes best you talk and get them off too, you know.
Yeah, so sometimes I just saw you explain and release your mind, you know. Yeah, and at that time you tell yourself, so this is nothing to explain to no one, this is for your own cudgel. So you gotta keep it and bear it and wear it and tear it until the day you get over it.
Straight.
You know what I mean?
Straight.
Yeah, man, because no care how I wanna go tell you, so you might know where you feel.
You might
have a idea
assume
what feelings is, but him can't know when me in person I feel inside, you know? Yeah, you can't know. You can't know me I feel, you know? Because you can't have your loved one pass and you hurt. And my one come after. And you tell me, say, me have to hold it. Your family! Which me can't understand that. And I will try my best to hold it. But at the end of the day, you don't know me I feel inside. You can never know that. You remember good?
Sure, man.
You can never know that. And me can't even explain it to tell you where me I feel inside. So you can't know. You know? No, so you can never know. You can't tell yourself, say, boy, I'm supposed to well cut up, you know? Yeah, but deep inside of me alone know me I feel.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah, so me think, brother, so anytime me have anything where I just say go with me, you know, people will call me and I say, "Cat, what happened to you? What happened to you? Me see it on your face, me see it a show up on you." At the end of the day, me not feel no pain, nothing do me. No, sir, nothing at all no wrong with me, but you might not pleasing with certain things, you know, so.
So
That's kind of hold back a little happiness if you show that brightness there in your face, you know? Yeah, that kind of hold back, you know? It not show.
yeah, consider say you never know if certain things are really happening.
Certain things are really face, you know? So you really I guess that I go show up on your face, you know.
True, man.
You're a human being, you know, so everybody have feelings, you know.
That's all right.
Yeah.